Hey gamers, in this video we're going to set up your computer to back up your Sims 4 and other personal data. Stay tuned.
Hey Alex, and thank you viewers for joining us. So, before we jump right into backing up your Sims 4 files and other important data, let's make sure you have everything you'll need for this video. An external USB drive or network drive. You'll need an external USB drive or a network drive to store your backup copies securely. Ensure it has enough space to accommodate all the data you want to back up. Administrative permissions. Make sure you have administrative permissions on your computer, as you'll need them to install and configure Karen's Replicator. Now, let's talk about Karen's Replicator and why we're choosing to use this amazing piece of software for our backups. Karen's Replicator is a reliable and user-friendly backup tool that simplifies the entire process. It's designed to help you effortlessly create and maintain backups of your valuable data, keeping it safe from accidental loss or hardware failures. Ease of use. Karen's Replicator comes with an intuitive interface, making it easy for users of all levels to set up and manage their backups without any hassle. Flexible backup options. You have the freedom to choose which folders or files you want to back up. In our case, we'll be backing up the essential user folders like desktop, documents, pictures, videos, downloads, and music. Scheduled backups. You can schedule automatic backups at regular intervals, ensuring that your data is continuously protected without any manual intervention. Versioning support. The software allows you to keep multiple versions of your files, so you can roll back to previous states if needed. Incremental backups. Karen's Replicator performs incremental backups, which means it only backs up the files that have been changed or added since the last backup, making the process faster and more efficient. Peace of mind. Knowing that your precious data is safe and backed up gives you peace of mind, especially in the event of any unexpected data loss. So, with Karen's Replicator, you can rest assured that your Sims 4 files and other crucial data are well protected and ready to be restored if anything goes wrong with your Windows machine. Take it away, Alex.
First things first, open a browser and then head to Karenware.com. Once you're there, find the download section and grab the latest version of Karen's Replicator for your operating system, Windows in our case. Click the blue button saying Karen's Replicator. Next, click the link that says Karen's Replicator version 3.7.6 setup.exe. After the download is complete, simply run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It's a straightforward process, so don't worry. If you're setting up a USB or network drive for the first time, follow these steps. Connect your USB drive to your computer or ensure that your network drive is accessible. If you're using a network drive, this will be covered in a separate video. Open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E, or by clicking the folder icon in the taskbar. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of drives under this PC. Your USB drive or network drive will be listed there with its assigned letter, for example, E:. Right-click on this drive's icon and select Properties from the context menu. A window will pop up showing the drive's properties. Look for the Free Space or Unavailable Space section, which displays the amount of free space on your USB or network drive, usually in gigabytes or terabytes. Once Karen's Replicator is up and running, it's time to configure it. Open the program and you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Click on Edit Settings. You'll notice a button labeled New Job. Go ahead and click that. In the New Job setup, you'll see an option to choose the source and destination folders. Here's what you'll need to do. In the source section, select your user folders: desktop, documents, pictures, videos, downloads, and music. These are the folders where all your precious data resides, including The Sims 4. Now, let's move to the destination section. Here's where you'll select your external USB drive or network drive as the backup location. Click on the Browse button, navigate to your chosen drive, and select it. You may want to create a new folder in this drive named something like Backups to make it obvious and future-proof. As so many of my videos are a bit complex and the instructions can be a bit hard to follow, it's expected that some of you may have issues. And that's why I'm offering a new subscription that I'm dubbing my Sims 4 Diagnostic Package. This package will offer exclusive help directly working with me to get tons of your issues fixed. In this package, you'll have unlimited access to fully installing the base game through Steam or the EA app, moving the game to an external hard drive, moving game files to external drives, finding out why the game isn't working correctly, making the game run smoother, assistance with downloading and installing mods, and finally, fixing the game after you've made some changes and the game broke. All of these incredible services are available for just $2.99 a month. And what's better about this isn't that you're using the free service from EA where support is limited. No, if you're having issues because you modded your game, you've got my support. If you're having issues because you have an overly complicated network setup on your game and EA won't support you, you've got my support. If you're using a cracked version of the game, I mean, I'll do the best I can given what I've got, but you've got my support. And that's not all, Simmers. With my Sims 4 diagnostic package, you won't just receive generic troubleshooting advice or wait on hold for hours. No, you'll get the personalized attention and expertise you deserve. We'll connect through Zoom or remote sessions where I'll personally handle all of your Sims 4 issues. And here's something special to note. Proceeds from this subscription will directly benefit the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of my community, subscribing to the channel, and engaging with my content through views, likes, and comments. So go check out the link in the description and sign up today. I can't wait to help you on the other side. If you want to dive deeper into the backup settings, you can specify how often you want the backups to occur and how many versions of each file you want to keep. However, the default settings will work just fine for most of my viewers. Once everything is set up to your liking, click the Save Job button. Your backup job is now ready to go. To start the backup process, hit the Run Now button and Karen's Replicator will work its magic. Depending on the size of your combined folders, this could take several hours on the first run. But don't worry. After the first time, the program will only back up the newest files detected to make the process much faster. Congratulations! Your data is now safe and sound on your external or network drive. Now, whenever you make changes to your Sims 4 files or any of the other folders, the Replicator will automatically keep everything in sync on your backup destination. Take us out of here, Samantha.
And there you have it, gamers. We've covered backing up your system with Karen's Replicator, setting it up for backing up your user folders, and ensured your Sims 4 files and other data are secure. Be sure to comment below and let us know if you had any issues. We're always here to help. Thank you for watching.
Until next time. If you're using a network, much faster. Before we jump into the backup setup, make sure that you either have a external. Before we jump into the backup setup, make sure